very bright, looks very new because it is very new, and very clean.
Please select ticket quantity and then destination. Please insert money. If you need a receipt, touch receipt button. If you need a receipt, touch receipt button. Please take your ticket and change.
Alright, my first ride with the MRT in Jakarta. Let's see. Take the stairs. Okay, which way am I going? So I'm here at Bundaram and I'm going down here. Is Tora. So it should be here. This side. Right, so what do you think about this new MRT underground?
This is for MRT, first MRT in Indonesia.
Yeah.
In Jakarta, I'm so happy to have this transportation.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
very good.
It works?
It really works.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
What did you do before you take the metro? Did you use a bus or
Yes,
taxi?
Before we don't have MRT,
Yeah.
I use bus.
Bus. Yeah. It takes a much longer time
yes,
now. Yeah.
with the traffic and something like that lah.
Yeah. It's good. Yeah.
It's good.
Thank you.
Yes.
So the Jakarta MRT is the first subway or underground rail system in Indonesia, and it just opened a month ago now in March 2019. No seats for me. It's nice air conditioned. Hold the rails. Not so full. I expected it to be fuller. What do you guys think about this new MRT train?
It's pretty cool. It's like in Singapore. So
Yeah.
very similar also from when in Japan. System and everything. So.
Have you been missing something like this?
Yes,
Yeah.
of course, definitely.
How did you come across the city before? Did you use a bus or taxi or?
Mostly mix of things. Cars, taxis. Yeah.
And this is better and faster? Or?
Yeah, definitely. More comfortable.
Sounds good. Sounds like the people are happy with the new MRT. So after a couple of stops, it's completely full train. Let's try to get off. Alright, made it off. Let's see where we are. So before 1 month ago, they didn't have an underground in Jakarta, which is crazy. This big city should have it years ago, decades ago. You also have to tap when you go out. So finally, a few years ago, the politicians realized that we need to do something about the traffic in the city, because every year the amount of cars is growing much faster than the capacity on the roads or even the public transport. So finally they decided to build the underground. Now it's here. It's only one line so far. It's only 16 kilometers on this line. The price starts at 3,000 rupees and it adds 1,000 per stops. So it's quite cheap, and it goes faster than going outside, that's for sure.
Tiket tidak dapat digunakan. Tiket tidak dapat digunakan.
I do.
Do you see? Saldo.
But I just bought it.
Yes.
Okay, so I just got some new information about this card. So I bought this in a station near Grand Indonesia. And apparently when I bought it, it can just be used from that station. So now I'm in another station. And I can't use the card from here, because it's only valid from the Grand Indonesia station. That's very stupid. So my own conclusion of this new MRT, it's very good, convenient, good price. I will definitely use it if I'm going in the direction the line is. Thumbs up and make more lines fast.